video. Let's go. If you are new here to AZ Beauty, I'm AZ. And if this is your first time here to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on your bell notification. Now, this look, like I said, was inspired by a TikTok video. And basically there's this voice and it's like, hey, all the makeup artists out there, pick your favorite palette. So I picked my favorite palette. It's the crayon case, as you know. And then you have to count how many colors you had. The crayon case Maddie book has 26, and pick 3 numbers. So you cut up the numbers and then you put it in, okay? And so I chose light pink, magenta pink, and I guess this is like it was like a blue. It depends, like that looks like a blue / purple. I couldn't really tell, but I did use it. So let's go right into the video.
Welcome back, beauty gang. So I started with my first layer of color, which was the light pink, and so I put the light pink on first, and then I put the magenta, and then I did the deep purple. And I already pre-did one side so I can see how it would come out, so I can see the look that I'm trying to achieve. And of course, I looked online to see what type of looks I can do. And I just wanted to do the blend in. When in doubt, blend out, always for sure. And there it is. Trying to make sure I get underneath my eyelid to get that purple, magenta, and soft pink towards the tip. And I already did my face as well, and yeah. And as you can see right there, I am doing my eyeliner. It's really interesting because I have almond shaped eyes. I'm trying to figure out how to get that line across, but it's just something that I need to continue to practice. So I did mess up, so I had to fix my eyebrow, and I had to start with the concealer, and then I put the purple on, and then I blended it out and had to bring the purple in to get it to match the other side, of course. So that was very interesting, making sure I clean it up on both sides. Yes, indeed. And then it's time for the eyelash to come on, and I was able to fix it, so I was super proud.
Challenge for all the makeup artists. Pick your favorite palette, count how many shades, there's 35 in this one. Put each number on a sheet of paper, put them in a bag, shake them out. Now pick 3 numbers, 1, 2, 3. Create a look with the numbers you were given. This is the look I created, now it's your turn.
If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And also don't forget, if you have any looks that you are inspired by, don't forget to email me or tag me on IG or TikTok so I can try them out. All right, catch you later.